lovelies, Vlogmas 24. First thing first, let me thank you all for all the love you have been showing on my videos. Guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming up for me. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. And if you are seeing my videos for the very first time, please do well to click on the subscribe button and do all of the needful. Okay, thank you. So in today's video, we are making some condensed milk. Guys, you don't know the importance of condensed milk until you're in need of it and it's nowhere around you. It's not something you should worry about anymore, because in this video I'll be showing you how I make this thick and very delicious, yummy condensed milk. So let's go, guys. So what we'll be needing for our condensed milk is 2 tablespoons of melted margarine. You can use butter if that's what you have. We'll be needing half a cup of powdered milk, full cream powdered milk. We'll be needing half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm using icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, go ahead and use granulated sugar. Just blend it dry to get the powdered sugar form before you use it. Okay, we'll need a 1/4 cup of warm water, but because I always do extra, I needed that milky smell or that milky flavor you get, so I'm adding a tablespoon of milk flavor, the powdered one. All you need to do is to blend this on high speed. Blend this until you get a thick consistency. For me, this thickness is perfect, but if you don't like it this thick, go ahead and add a little bit of warm water. Okay, I prefer it this way because I use it for a lot of purposes. I use this for my donut filling. This can pass for a white chocolate. Trust me, the taste, everything was so good. So you can actually use this for your donut filling, or even your coating. You can just use it to coat your donut. You can drizzle this on top of your puff, your buns, whatever snack you're having. You can also use this for fruit salad, which is one of the reasons I am showing you guys, because this Christmas, guys, you don't want to do the regular. Go ahead and give your family a treat. You can also use it for your vegetable salads. Trust me, when you add it to your vegetable salads, you are going to tell me this tasted different. So this is how thick I want it, and like I said before, if you don't like yours this thick, add a bit of warm water. You can actually use 1/3, that's a 1/4 cup of warm water. If you remember, I used just a quarter. You can use 1/3, which is 3/4, yeah, which is 3/4 cup of water, but I use 1/4, which is a quarter, because that is what I want for to get this consistency. So let me know if you try this and if it was helpful. You can see how silky it looks. The taste was so good. Like, my daughter was just using a spoon to get it out from the plate. She was just eating it, and this was so nice. Trust me, you want this in your house this Christmas. You want this because it will help you to make a lot of stuff. I used this to make some buns, and that buns tasted like I used Greek yogurt. Guys, try this and use it for your pastry and other stuff. You are going to love it. So guys, have a blessed day and see you in my next one. Okay, subscribe. Bye.